Okay, guys, today we're doing something completely new for me. This is the first time that I'm actually on camera, and the whole purpose of this first challenge that I'm gonna do, which I will be elaborating on later, is to get more comfortable in front of the camera. I have another business that I'm running, and basically I will be the talking head video face of the company. I'm not that comfortable in front of a camera yet, so this is the whole purpose of me getting in front of the camera, getting myself out there. Hopefully I can teach you guys something. Maybe I can learn something from you guys. But that's the whole purpose of the challenge that we're gonna do. So let me first start explaining a little bit about myself. My name is Robbin. I moved to Bali in 2019. I did an internship in Bali at a co-working space. I figured out the digital nomad life. I don't like the term digital nomad, but I moved back to the Netherlands for a bit, and then I realized, hey, actually, this online working is a great thing. So I decided to pack my bags, move to Bali, and figure out how to make money online. My background is SEO. Like I started as a WordPress developer, then I quickly got into SEO. And since then, I have been consulting for several companies. I have a portfolio of affiliate websites, and I run my own internship company. Since I did my internship here, we thought there could be some improvement. So me and my co-founder established a company called Internship Abroad, where we help European students find internships all over the world. So what we're gonna do with this challenge and with this channel, the channel later, maybe I'll do more with it, but right now we're really focusing on the challenge. So we're gonna do a 60-day challenge where I'll be building a Bali travel directory. The reason that I'm building this is me and my partner, we travel a lot in Bali. She's an influencer and she gets many invitations to hotels, bars, restaurants. So we stay there for free. She already has to create some content to produce like a reel or a story. And I was like, why don't we just put this in a platform? Because we got many requests from friends, family. Hey, where should we book a hotel in Bali? Like, where can we have nice dinner? So just to be able to give that information to them, we can just put it in a database and store it there and put it in a nice looking website. But also I think it's a great opportunity to start monetizing. So what I'm gonna do in the next 60 days, I'll be uploading one video per day. I'm gonna map out every day with a checklist. So I will be running you guys through the checklist. And then one by one, we're just gonna tackle all the points that have to be done. This goes from doing competitor research, like doing branding inspiration, like how to register a domain name, like how to set up a server, how to actually build the directory. So I'm not a developer. I've did some development over the past years, but I can definitely not call myself a developer. But I just want to show that nowadays with the current AI tools I think it's possible for everyone to just start doing this. And I think it's also great for everyone to just get yourself out there, start producing or start learning AI tools, learn how to prompt, like how to actually build something with code. There's amazing tools like Cursor AI, which we're gonna use, Claude. I think it's good for everyone that is currently in the digital space to start learning how those AI tools work. Like many people are still behind, but if you're just getting yourself out there now, it's the best time to do it. So one of the reasons I also want to start this travel directory is because many travel directories like TripAdvisor are very biased. If you are looking for the best hotel in Bali or the best hotel in Nusa Penida, which is an area close by Bali, it's usually the number one ranking is the one that is paying the most or has the highest affiliate commission because TripAdvisor needs to make money as well. Besides that, many images, like if I'm looking at Airbnb or at booking.com, like many images don't really represent the reality. It's not that, I don't know, if I'm looking at booking.com and the pictures look amazing and I arrive at the venue, it's not always the same. So if we just create video content about the venue, the hotel, the bar, you can actually already experience like how it actually looks like. And I think that's very valuable. And also it will be an unbiased review. Like we're not gonna put a 1-star review. I don't want to damage companies' reputations. And usually it's great hotels that we get invited to. But I think it's good to have some sort of platform where we actually go there, we actually visit the place, and we actually leave an honest review and like maybe segment it in different ways. Is it family friendly, or is it like couple friendly, or if you just want to have a great party, go to this bar. Yeah, so the next 60 days, I'm gonna scope it out completely. Every day is gonna be one video. I'm not sure how long the videos are gonna be. I think it also really depends on what the plan is for the day. If we're just doing competitor research or keyword research, or if we're just figuring out the branding, probably takes less time. But if we actually start developing and mapping out the database and creating the database, this is gonna cost more time. And it's also depending on how much time I have in that specific day. Like I have my 3 other companies that I also have to run. So this is just a side project. Another good note for you guys, it's all gonna be unedited. I will use a software that cuts pauses and that kind of stuff, but I want to keep it as authentic as possible. I just want to show that everyone that wants can start building something like this. I'm not an expert, and maybe in the process you guys have a lot of feedback for me. Like maybe I do things in a very stupid way, or maybe it's not the most secure way to store data in a database like that. I would love, if you're watching, to give me this feedback. Like I'm here to learn, and maybe you guys can learn from me. So I just want to keep it as authentic as possible. There's not going to be any flashy sales pitch or whatever, just me building this directory, me getting more comfortable in front of the camera, and me just learning and yeah, just doing it. I think the goal of 2025 is just to do it. Like I've been wanting to start my personal brand. My goal was last year, January. I didn't do it. Like I never had time enough. But I think if you really want something, you should just make the time and prioritize it. So this is going to be the 60-day journey. Tomorrow is going to be the first video. And yeah, hopefully if someone is going to watch this, hopefully you can learn from me, and hopefully I can learn something from you. All right. See you guys.